Hey everybody, we're about to board the train. See? Here at the Jacksonville Zoo, they have a train. You can go around the park and everything. It's gonna be beautiful. See how pretty it is? How pretty it is. It's so cute. It's so cute. Come enjoy the train with us. It's always a good day. Always has been, always can be. Remember, LoelPolo channel. See you soon, everybody.
Species. First on the left you have our warthogs. You have a male named Chico and a female named Acacia, and there are 2 male piglets. In the wild, female warthogs will create groups called centers in order to care for their young. In the next enclosure on the left, the tall gray and white birds are our wattled cranes. They are the largest and also rarest species of crane found in Africa. They stand at about 6 feet tall with an average wingspan of 8 feet. They live mostly in wetlands, however their natural habitats are currently being threatened due to drainage for agricultural development. The next long enclosure on the left is our cheetah run. Here we have one male named Steve. Now cheetahs cannot roar, instead they use a series of bird-like chirps, clicks, purrs, and moans in order to communicate. Exhibit here at Jacksonville Zoo since 1967. We have a male named Archie who was born in South Africa in 1969 and moved to our zoo in 1975. He currently shares his space with Gabriella and Candy, our 2 female rhinos. Their horns are made up of tiny strands of keratin, which can also be found in human hair and fingernails.
Oh, I see the rhino. Look at the rhino.
We also have a North African ostrich. His name is Jack. An adult ostrich can stand 6 to 9 feet tall and weigh 200 to 300 pounds. They have 2 toes on each foot and can kill a predator with a single kick. Black and white feathers. A female, on the other hand, would be brown with gray or brown with tan feathers. You'll likely also spot our East African crowned cranes out here, as well as our marabou stork. Unlike other storks that actively hunt for fish, these guys are actually considered scavengers. For Christmas, dangerous snakes. You'll also find our 8-foot deep elephant pool, which can hold 275,000 gallons of water, and it's where the elephants go on a hot day to cool off. We do have 3 African elephants. It looks like our 2 lovely ladies are currently in the yard. We have Sheena closer to us, Tandy's farther from us. We also have a male who is not out at the moment. His name is Ali. Ali stands at about 10 feet tall at the shoulders. The tall building to the left is our elephant and giraffe barn, and just outside the barn we have our elephant restraint device. Figures whose homes were 10 reticulated giraffes. Reticulated means marked like a net and refers to the pattern covering the animal's entire body. We've got a grand total of 43 giraffes born here at Jacksonville Zoo. We currently have 3 males, their names are Dixon, Duke Jr., and Izzy, and 7 females, Farasha, Naomi, Spock, Luna, Fiji, Willow, and Jojo. Across the field, you'll see our giraffe overlook where you can get a much closer look at these tallest of land animals. You can also feed them here for the small fee of $2, as they're very curious and gentle creatures. This is the back part of our zoo, closest to our Land of the Tiger, Range of the Jaguar, Kids Play Park, Wildlife Carousel, 4D Theater Experience, Australian Adventure, Campground Critters, and our 2 restaurants. If you have our total experience ticket, which is that green wristband, this is your stop for our carousel for children. distance to the right, you can see our land of the tiger exhibit, Himalayan and Sumatran tiger.